Well, hi there. My name is Doc Livingston with eXp Realty and Park Bench. And today I have the privilege of introducing you to Lisa with ExcelNails. Lisa's been in the same location here for quite some time, and I thought that I'd love to introduce her to you. So, Lisa?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So Lisa, just you're in the nail business here. How did you get into this business?
How long?
No, how did you get started with doing nails? Did you get started in Vietnam or did you get started here?
I was school here in the West Vancouver.
Okay.
So that's the first business I was opening in the Coconut Center.
Yeah.
Yes. And for 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, and I stopped. I was working somewhere else 2 years.
Okay.
And after that, and I come back to here.
Nice.
Yes, it's here 5 years.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, you have a beautiful store. I mean, you've got what six chairs for pedicures.
Yes.
And 4 manicure chairs. Everything looks beautiful.
Thank you.
It looks so spotlessly clean. It's just
Yes.
just amazing here, and
Yeah.
I think that's a real concern of people.
Thank you.
Cleanliness.
Yes.
Okay. So here we are, Lisa. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I appreciate you letting us
Thank
come in
you,
and
Richard.
do a quick introduction and a review.
Yes.
And I think that once people know about you, they're just going to be beating a path to your door.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
So
Thank
congratulations
you.
on
Yeah.
this store. It's
Yeah.
gorgeous. Yeah.
Thank you.
So there we are. So Doc Livingston signing off today for ExcelNails. Come on out, folks. See what you've been missing. Bye for now.